Hi grade ones, we are back with maths and this is lesson 12. Now remember, for your maths, you are going to need your whiteboard and whiteboard marker, your book or paper if you're working on that, and then you're also going to need your counters, an egg box or plate, whatever you need or whatever you work with at home. So let's see what we're going to do today. We are going to do counting as usual, and you're going to need 50 counters again. Then we're going to find missing numbers again with our number patterns. We're doing wonder block sums and word problems. So if you haven't watched the wonder block sums video, go to the online channel and then you watch that first so that you can know how to do these sums properly, as well as the word problems with sharing. Make sure that you've watched those videos where I show you exactly how to do these type of sums. Right, fetch your things quickly before we start if you haven't got it in front of you yet. And there we go. You're going to do your counting as usual for me. And today you can actually try to count in twos for me. So instead of only taking one counter at a time, you are going to take two at a time. So as you move two counters, you're going to say 2, and then move another 2, 4, and then move another 2, then it's 6, move another 2, then it's 8, move another 2, then it's 10. And carry on like that. And see if you can go all the way to 50 today by counting in twos with your counters. You don't have to go backwards in twos, only forward in twos. So you're going to count in twos for me today forward and in normal ones backwards. Right, now you are going to write on your whiteboard, book or paper, and we're looking at our number patterns again. We've got missing numbers where the two lines are just like we've been doing, and you can start thinking of what numbers are missing. Look carefully. The top and the bottom one is a little bit tricky. Right, let's see what they were. The top one starts at 8. So we are counting in twos. So our next one is going to be 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And then 22 for the last one at the top there. Then our next number pattern, we are counting backwards in tens. Starts at 80, then 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, and then 20. And then our bottom one on this page, we are counting backwards in ones. So we start at 50, and then we write 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, and 43 for our last one. Right over here, you're going to do your wonder block sums again. On the left hand side, we've got Gus Plus. Remember, he makes more and more and more. And then on the right hand side, we've got Linus Minus, who kicks away all day long. Remember to watch the video on the wonder block sums to make sure you do these properly. And then you do them on your whiteboards, book, or paper for me. Right, we have got our word problem, and our first one says, Inky has 13 pencils. So Inky has 13 pencils in front of him. And 7 of the 13 pencils are green. How many pencils were blue? So now remember, you've got to draw your 13 circles at the top. So draw your 13 circles, and then you're going to need green and blue. 7 of the circles are green, so you can color 7 of them in with green. And then the rest of the circles will be blue. So let's see quickly what our sum will be. He had 13 pencils and 7 of them were green. So now we're going to write 7 minus or take away. So have you got that? So your first number that you're going to write down is going to be 13 because Inky had 13 pencils. So write down 13. And then we're going to take away the 7 green ones. So 7 we're going to take away. So our sum will be 13 take away or minus 7. Right? And Ellie equals, and then your answer will be 6. So 6 pencils are blue. Right, let's look at our next one. This is a sharing one, so you are going to be drawing tummies again. Dad has 4 sweets. He is sharing it between 2 friends. How many can each friend get? Pack out your 4 counters for your 4 sweets and draw your 4 circles. After that, you draw your 2 tummies nice and big. And then you start sharing it out for me. Remember to scratch it out as you share so you don't get muddled up. And then underneath your tummies, you write the number symbol of how many sweets were in each tummy. Right, let's see. You should have a number symbol 2 underneath each tummy because each friend could get 2 sweets today. Right, great ones. That's it for today. Bye-bye.